Let's learn how to pronounce the double O sound in English. First up is a long vowel sound, where your lips make the shape of the letter O. Words include baboon, balloon, bamboo, bloom, boom, boot, booze, broom, cartoon, choose, cool, doom, food, fool, Google, goose, hoop, igloo, kangaroo, loo, loop, mood, moon, moose, moot, mushroom, ooze, poo, poodle, proof, roof, room, school, scoop, shoot, soon, spoon, spook, snooker, swoop, two, tool, voodoo, Yahoo, and Zoom. Next is a short vowel sound which sounds like Words include book, brook, cook, cookie, foot, good, hood, hoodie, hook, look, rook, shook, stood, took, understood, whoosh, wood, wooden, wool, and woolen. There is another long vowel sound that sounds like the or in law and straw. Words include door, floor, floored, more, poor, poorly, tandoori and spoor. Next is a short vowel sound that rhymes with mud and thud. There are only two words for you to remember here. They are blood and flood. Finally, we have a short vowel sound that rhymes with coach and roach. The only word you need to remember here is brooch. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more English pronunciation practice.